Quick video on filing notes in Adobe Photoshop 2020. The note tool is located in the toolbar. It's nested with the eyedropper tool. Click on the note tool and your cursor becomes a note icon. You can place this anywhere on your document or even off your document. When I click the note tool, I get to type in a note. It can be anything you want, any bit of text. And you can file as many as you want. To access a note, you can click on the note and the text will show up in this notes control window. If you have more than one note, the notes control window will tell you how many notes you have and which note you're looking at, and you can navigate through your notes. So it's a good way to make a note for yourself or make a note for somebody else in the workflow of the project. If you have other people who are working, you can actually use the author option in the notes options field, and this would be one way you could communicate inside the document.